How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to log in on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix you need the official WhatsApp to log in on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to assure that you have the stable internet connection or not. So after you confirm it by opening your Wi-Fi or cellular data, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like general. So simply tap on the option general. Alright, so from the general section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option VPN and device management. Alright, so from the VPN and device management, you'll have to turn off the VPN from your iPhone. So after you done this, you'll have to just back from here, and from this general section, you'll have to swipe off on your screen, and from here tap on iPhone storage. Alright, so from the iPhone storage, you'll have to scroll down and find the application WhatsApp. So simply after you find it, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so from here tap on delete app. Alright, so tap on delete, and after you delete the WhatsApp app, you'll have to just close it from here, and you have to open the app store on your iPhone, and from here in this hospital you'll have to search for WhatsApp. Okay, so from here tap on WhatsApp, and from here you'll have to install the updated version of WhatsApp Messenger on your iPhone. So after you complete all of the procedure, you'll be able to fix that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just exit from here, and you have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so from here in this hospital, you'll have to type for WhatsApp support. Alright, so from this section, you'll have to contact the WhatsApp support team. So after you contact the WhatsApp support and mention your problem, they will surely provide you some guidelines or methods to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.